Hello, this is Kay. Today my train traveling is very short distance. I also love train models as well as riding trains, so I'm now going to world's famous train model manufacturer, Kato's showroom and headquarters, Hobby Center Kato. It is located in Tokyo Shinjuku district. Even I show this Japanese map, you have almost no idea where it is, so I'll take you there with my video. The place is in residential areas, so even Japanese people are hardly able to find the place. Usually people come to Tokyo, everybody know where Shinjuku is, so I'll start from Shinjuku Station by Oedo subway. We take a subway from platform number 7 down for Hikarigaoka. We are in Shinjuku, number E27, and we are going to Ochiai Minami Nagasaki, E33, 6 stations away. Okay, now we are in Ochiai Minami Nagasaki Station. That's a very long name to memorize. Okay, after we exit, we turn and make a left. Make a left here on the halfway of the stair. Keep going straight until the street you see. Go right here. We will walk on the other side of the street, so cross the signal. Keep walking straight here. Two separate streets, so we go to the left. We don't change the street anymore. We just keep going straight until the end. There's your familiar Kato logo. This train used to run in a Keikyu Railway as they had 268 and was gifted or purchased, I don't know, but It had been sit here in the front of Kato since I was a childhood. They always posted the newest information in this front entrance. In the first floor, they display large layouts and a big store of their products. Okay, let's begin to watch very nice setting of some large layouts. Usually the underground level I could see Ginza subway model, but today there aren't any. Here comes the Switzerland's Alps trains. Usually I've seen that normal express trains here, but today mostly they run all the locomotives with the passenger trains. EF58 with all passengers. And there's Oedo with the blue trains. EF65 with a 20 types, 9 passenger car. I would show color of EF58 with that passenger cars. This showcase, they display the history of Kato products. My first use of the power pack and the rail. Some of the train models are there. Okay, from here, all the products are available to purchase. See if you find anything you would like to have now. All the trains displayed here are classified as same type, same area to run, same generation, so on. They are also not only displaying Kato models, some of the others are like Tomix, Micro Ace, and Green Max products. You can also purchase if they displayed here. Okay, from here they are HO models. Okay, you could get a number of ASCII parts in this original Kato store. I'm always having very hard time to find my parts I want. There are so many. Here's Kato's structure sections. It is pretty dark to see, but this diorama with a Mizukazu photo was the front cover of Kato's 2020 catalog. Here a variety of Kato rails and set. After you found all you need, bring them to this counter to purchase. This is the newest product of Kato, beginner to learn how to make a diorama. Okay, let's go to upstairs to see other sections. Unlike other Japanese N-scale makers, Kato products are all made in Japan and they locate the factory in the Saitama Prefecture. And they are prototype of parts from the factory. In this floor, customers can play with this large layouts if you purchase any of the store item above 500 Japanese yen, which is about $5. You can either use the free rental train models from Kato, or even you can bring your own favorite train models in here. Only you can play for 25 minutes. Kids love it. The service counter not only for the layout renting, also fixed model counter. I often use when I cannot fix my model by myself. These desks you can work on your models. I do not usually see anybody use this HO layout. These dioramas are made by groups of students in their school activities. They are winners of the diorama competitions. Engine Thomas layouts for small kids. These are not a Kato products. They are from UK. Pico is well known as fine flexible rails from UK. Kato is doing Asian to sell in Japan. So how was you looking at Hobby Center Kato this time? Hopefully you enjoyed it, and the next time when you come to Japan, you can come along. Oh, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. If you can leave me any comments, I would appreciate it. Thank you for your watching.